Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to take control of your finances, but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to share some budgeting tips for beginners that will help you achieve financial success. Tip number 1. Track your income and expenses. Start by listing all your sources of income and every expense, big or small. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going each month. Tip number 2. Set financial goals. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or a dream vacation, setting clear financial goals will keep you motivated and on track with your budget. Tip number 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Do you really need that daily latte or monthly subscription service? Tip number 4. Plan for the unexpected. It's important to have a buffer for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Building an emergency fund can help you avoid financial stress in the future. With these budgeting tips for beginners, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom and security. Remember, a little planning goes a long way when it comes to managing your money. Like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.